Hi there, it's Chris from Business of Traders, and it's another top tip series video about Sierra charts. And in this, we're going to be talking all things linking, what it is and how it can help you and how it can save you a lot of time when setting up your charts in Sierra charts. So without further ado, let's jump to the charts. Right, so we have a 1 minute AMD chart here. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up the linking. So we go to chart and we go to chart settings. And we go to the linking tab. So what linking enables you to do is link all your charts together. So when you change your symbol, which I'm going to show you in a moment with the quote board, then it changes all the charts for you to that symbol. So we're going to set a link of 1, and we're going to set the symbol, and we're going to do the scroll position, and we're going to do the session times, and we're going to do the days to load. And that's it. That's what we need on time zone. Right, okay. Now we're just going to check the days to load. So we're going to have a look at data limiting. We're going to set it to 7 just for speed of loading these charts up. Right, so that's set up our link. Next, we're going to put, in fact, actually tell you what we'll do on that. We'll also add studies. So that it syncs all the studies. Right, so next we're going to add a study. And we're just going to add a standard MACD just to show this in action. So we've now got a MACD on the bottom there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate these charts and set different times. So we're going to duplicate 3 times. Just in case you don't know where duplicate is, it's in the chart menu and it's there. Then we're going to tile vertically. Right, so we've now got 3 charts. We're going to set this to 1 day, so that's typing in 1D for speed. We're going to type in 15M for 15 minutes for the middle chart, and then we've got 1 minute over here. Now, obviously, what you can see here is as we move the charts, it scrolls, which is great. Now, where linking really comes in is when you have multiple symbols that you are trading. So we're going to set up a quote board and we're going to link the 2 together. So we're going to do a new quote board. We're just going to put it here, right? And we're going to load a symbol list that I've already prepared. So we've got Apple, we've got AMD, QQQs, and SPY. Now at the moment it's all set to AMD. Now what we're going to do is we're going to link this to the same link, so we're going to set it to 1, and then when we click on the symbol, it automatically changes all the charts to the symbol. So that's absolutely great. Now you might be thinking, well, what about if I make drawings on a particular chart? So obviously, say for instance here, we're going to stick a horizontal ray at 413, we're going to jump over to the Qs, we're going to stick one there. We're just doing this as a test. There. Go back to SPY, it saved it for you. So it saves all your chart drawings. So that's also another great thing about Sierra charts. Now, I highlight these in red. Now, the way I do this, and I have different chart links in different colours, is if we go to global settings, if we go to graphic settings, and we scroll down, look for link. There are a lot of settings, by the way. I think I might have just shot past it, to be honest. There you go. So obviously, say for instance, we want to change that link to that colour. Not a nice colour. There you go. All green. Now, linking also improves the performance of replaying charts. Check out my replaying chart video for more info. So let's jump back to the camera. Right, so that is linking in a nutshell. It saves you hours of time. You don't need 50 different chart books. You just can have one chart book with a quote board and jobs are good. Right, hope you like this video. Like it if you do. And if you want me to do a particular video about something that you're stuck on, then put it in the comments below and I'll do that for you. Bye for now. See you on the next Top Tips video.